Hey everyone, it's Jill from Today's Creative Food. Today I'm going to be doing a little bit different thing with my cookie dough. Instead of making cookies, I'm actually making a fruit pizza using the cookie dough as my crust. Instead of the sauce, I'm going to be using a cream cheese frosting and then layering with some beautiful colors of fruit so that everyone gets a little piece of creative goodness with each slice. So let's get started. Let me show you how easy this is to make.